Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Welcome. You picked the right channel to watch today, and I want to let you know that you are loved on this channel. Take your palettes out, let us create something beautiful, because we are all beautiful in every way, shape, size or form. Today I am going to create a glam look using the Melt palette. I am going to create a sexy glam eye look. Keep watching. Let's get to this. Let us do this. I'll be doing swatches at the end of this video, so stay tuned for the whole swatch party on this Melt Gemini palette. I am using the color Luna. Now that I have Luna down, I'm going to put Lorelli, hopefully I say that right, over here. I am creating my fake crease because of my hooded eyes. I'm going into Cupcake right now. Cupcake is looking very pretty. It's a dark brown, but it's a pretty dark brown. Like I say, I'm putting chocolate in my crease, my real crease, and then going up a little higher to create a fake one. But it is a pretty brown. I like the Melt formulation. The Melt formulation, this palette I am really loving. It's like I hate to know I gotta put it away. It is such a pretty palette. The colors blend well. I mean, it is a little pricey for, I think they were $58 at Sephora, but when you use the palette, you can tell it's worth the money. It does. For me, it is worth it. I like how everything just blends so well. Take a look. This is what I'm talking about. It just blends so well. I'm taking polka dot and I am going to go over this cupcake that I put down and then just blend that in so it can be all seamless. So far this is the fourth color I'm using on the brown nude side, and I am telling you they are working really nice. This is pretty. Now comes the section where I am going to use, before I use the shimmers, I'm going to use my white pencil today because I want some colors to just pop today. Both eyes are so different, so different. So I use my white pencil and now I'm going into the color Gemini. I'm going to use gold in the inner corner of my eye. I am loving Melt. I am loving the Melt Cosmetics stuff. Now I am going to take one more color. I'm going to use the black, which is called Bunny, and I'm going to put it right here in the outer corner. It's a powerful black, so please be careful when you use it. One is always lower than the other, so I try to make it a little even because both eyes are so different. I am back with the Glam look that I promised, and also the swatches from the Gemini palette. These are the swatches, all 10 shades. Those are so beautiful. If you ever get this palette on sale, buy it. Again, this is my look. I use 7 shades out of the palette to create this sexy glam look. You can create a glam look. I hope you created something beautiful today. And these are the shades, as you can see. Those are just so nice, blendable, pretty, nice, love it. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I'm saying it. It is a nice palette. Today's inspirational, encouraging, lift me up word. Hope it meets you and greets you and fulfill your day with lots of fun and joy. It is by Martha Washington, and it says, "The greater part of our happiness or misery depends on our dispositions and not our circumstances. We carry the seeds of the one or the other about with us in our minds wherever we go." Again, today's lift me up, encouraging word and inspirational is by Martha Washington, and it says, "The greater part of our happiness or misery depends on our disposition and not on our circumstances. We carry the seeds of the one or the other about with us in our minds wherever we go." And that is from the section Shoot for the Moon. This is a beautiful quote. I hope you like it. Please share my videos. Please come back and view the next look. This eye look you can create. Take your palettes out, follow along, and just create something beautiful. I love you all. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I Simply You again is saying to invite more people to watch these videos so I can stay visible on YouTube. Again, these are the swatches, and this is the look. Go out, live life. It's short. Live it the best way possible that you can. And I Simply You Makeup V is saying bye. See you in the next video. The more you share me, the more people find me on YouTube. And I love that very much. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.